Okay, go. You can go another. Face us. Try to
Well,
chew
that was
it.
a diphthong because she did a whole.
Try to chew it. No. Face me. Inhale it.
Yep, it's yummy.
Smile again for us.
Holy crap. I'm never doing this again.
I've done it 9 times.
Yeah. That's nasty. Make sure you clean out the sink when you guys are done.
Are you doing it?
Yeah.
Holy crap, I don't feel good now.
Oh, God.
I inhaled that. Ew, I'm crying.
It's all over your face.
Ew.
I'm sorry, it's still in my mouth.
Okay, go. Wait, Emma, I want to take a picture. Ready? Smile.
Oh.
Why are you doing it again?
Why can't she?
Ew, it's on your.
Yeah, I don't care. Oh, dang it. It's on my face.
No, it's not. Can I go?
Wait.
Hurry up.
There.
Ew, it's mist coming out.
No, don't do it. I want to take a picture of it after.
Tell me when I can go.
I'm getting ready for bed, alright? You guys set?
Yeah.
Are we gonna put that thing in the dog?
Yeah, I gotta get her in the bedroom.
Ugh.
Emma, you coming in there in a little bit?
I need a mint.
Okay, go, Emma.
Me? Okay.
Just do it.
I don't get how you guys have done this so many times.
I don't understand why.
I don't know how people die
Do
from
it.
this.
It would be funnier if you actually spit it out.
She's trying to do it.
It's in my throat. I need water. Cheese.
Just spit it. You already lost because some came out of your mouth.
Oh, I lost 2.
This is a tiny cloud.
There's 3.
Oh, it's not-
Yeah, you can't just stand there. You actually have to chew it.
You gotta do something with it.
I recommend spitting it out.
I feel like I'm gonna puke.
It's in my throat. And my throat's burning now.
Open your mouth. I want to see it.
Ew. Want some water? Ew, it's falling out of your shirt.
Oh, just spit it. Ew.
I know whole people die from this.
Oh.